Hello, Ladylyn here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this cute little hairstyle, kind of Sailor Moon inspired, that you can do on yourself with little effort. It's a great option for a top knot or a messy bun, and when you're tired of that, you can do something like this. So let's get started. I started by already putting my hair up into a ponytail and backcombing my limp, lifeless hair. I'm going to take one side of it and start forming it into one of my bows and using a bobby pin just to secure it into place. The second half of my bow, I backcomb and I smooth through anywhere where I feel like I've backcombed too much, and I form that into that little bow piece. Start manipulating the bow so it's more forward rather than on top, and you're going to use a few bobby pins to really secure it by laying it down and bobby pinning that bow to your scalp. You're going to do the same thing on the other side, really manipulating it. Don't be afraid to manipulate it because you've backcombed it, so it shouldn't separate. And with that tail, comb it through so that it's tangle free and not so, ratted and nesty. Flop it over to the front and bobby pin that piece a little bit underneath one side of the bows. When you think you're happy with everything, just look in the mirror and fluff it around. Find the symmetry that you like. Make sure you like it in all angles. And once you are happy, use your extra hold hairspray. I use the Pantene Pro V Styler Anti-Humidity and Maximum Hold, and I spray along the back where all my baby hairs are and a little bit around the front and any loose pieces that you think, needs to be tamed but can't be bobby pinned, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment below what you want to see. If there's any topics you want me to cover, I do make videos that are hair related, hair basics related, and wedding related, advice and all that stuff. I'm here every Monday and Thursday putting out new videos, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I get a new video up. Thanks for watching. Bye.